an 18-year honor roll lifetime MDRT member with qualifications MDRT, COT and TOT. MDRT for me is always million dreams round the table. Reason? This association of premier financial professionals had given me an access to their events or to their meets where I had learned a lot by interacting with the top professionals all over the world, learning from them and then putting or using those ideas for the next level of achievement in my business. We, being an MDRT member, always have an access to the MDRT website where we get motivated by reading the blogs of top professionals. Plus, we also create study circles. In those study circles, again, we interact and learn from each other and see that how the best practices can be used in our business. A round the table magazine, which always motivates you with its articles, innovative ways of doing work, and how to achieve a next level of achievement, is always a privilege to be given to the MDRT members. So I request all the MDRTians to please register and use all these tools provided by MDRT to have a next level of achievement in your business. Okay, for me, the MDRT is not only an achievement but is an Oscar for life insurance professionals. Thank you. Namaskar.
Hi friends, I'm Sudhakar Gabriel. In the year 2003, I first qualified for MDRT. I didn't stop with qualifying, but I registered and became a member of MDRT. MDRT, as you know, is the premier association of financial professionals worldwide, based out of USA. By becoming an MDRT member, I got many benefits, but the chief among them was I had access to the 93 years of resource of MDRT. Its video and audio recordings, its blogs and articles. The second benefit, I was able to meet a lot of fellow MDRTians across the world, including India. I have a lot of MDRT friends in New Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Chennai, USA, London, Dubai, Athens, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia. From these MDRT friends, I was able to cross-learn and add value to my customers. By adding value, my sales increased. So my friends, I encourage you not to just qualify for MDRT by production criteria, but to register and become a member and become a whole person by the benefits of MDRT. Thank you.
Good morning, advisor friends in India and across the globe. My name is Dipesh Gandhi and I am a financial advisor since 2008. I am a registered MDRT member 4 times and I have attended the annual conference 2 times in my career. Today, I want to highlight the benefits of being an MDRT member and how it can help you excel your career in the profession of financial advisor. Friends, MDRT is a brand which reflects in you the high code of ethics and the client trust in you. By attending MDRT annual conference and global conference, you can help unmatched confidence to rise your production level and your leadership in MDRT organization. For the advisor friends who are aspiring to become an MDRT, I request you to visit MDRT.org website and register yourself. By registering yourself, you can utilize 30% of the production site of MDRT, where you can learn different objection handling methods, different tools, and you can upgrade your production and you can become MDRT. Thank you very much.
Good morning, friends. My name is Rachni Dheer and I am from Delhi. I have achieved MDRT 3 times. I have got it registered 3 times. I am in this insurance sector since 2018, and the $1 Million Roundtable is the most prestigious award in insurance sector. In this, you represent your country on international platform, and there is a career advancement, there is a progression in your career, because you tend to meet so many experienced people and you tend to learn so many things. And getting a tag of MDRT, it gives you a client trust also, and your business grows. And then there's a leadership opportunities you gain from the learnings which you get from MDRT by meeting so many people. Then there are the volunteer opportunities are there, the global networking. You tend to meet so many the people from the insurance sector from different countries. You get to learn so many skills. Then you get the round the table magazines, and there's a lot of information in that. In the MDRT Connect, the online resources are there. You can assess online many things, and it enhances your skill professionally also, and you tend to grow. So friends, if you really want to grow your business, qualify MDRT and register MDRT. All the best.